Good morning to everyone. Hello guys, what's up? Ito ang buhay na isang OFW sa Qatar. Today guys, I'm making sidar for my boss. This is what we call this sidar and hina. To put in the hair and this is the brand we use to make the hair hina for the color of the hair. This one. And watch up guys. Ito ang buhay ng isang OFW sa Qatar. Ito yung ginagawa para pang ng buhok. Let's go. Si Ate M dumaan. Ito ang buhay namin dito guys. Yaya. Kagagawa ng buhok, kulay ng buhok ng amo. So, okay lang guys, kaya nagsasahod man tayo kaysa wala. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Ito ang buhay ng isang OFW sa Qatar. Bakas is the key. At sana naman you like or follow my vlog. Thank you so much guys. Bye-bye.